So you want to grab the actual player character in the world, use get player character in this case. It gives you the pawn the player is currently controlling. It is very useful in terms when you are using it for a health, inventory, or ability tied to the player. So to get it, you need to right click and type in get player character like this, and you will get it. But for now, we already have it, and I will type in a delay. Always use it in most cases actually, because sometimes it gives you an error because it is not loaded in properly and things like that, and then it just gives and returns an error. For now, we're casting it, cast to third person, and yeah, this is it. And the object reference, we will give it the player character. Now, to see it whether it is successful or not, we will do a print string, and to see whether it get the real thing or not, we will just connect the print string here, and I'll change the color so we can see it very clearly, and timing to 5 seconds. Now, when we compile it, it will and play it. It will, yeah, it typed the blueprint character, third person character 0. Now, let's talk about a real case scenario where you can actually use it. The last time I used it for a pickupping plant because by using this, I actually avoided casting to the third person character. Yes, you can avoid third person character when you are using the get player character, because if your third person character actually implements an blueprint interface, then you don't need to cast it because you already know that your character actually have it, and you just need to send information. So you can set target of the blueprint interface into the third person character. Now I know it's a bit of confusing to understand, but I just told you how to use it. Whether how it is actually going to be used, I will show you in future. But for now, remember that get player character is super useful in many scenarios, like even getting the player location when you are using it, like get actor location, and it will give you the player's locations, rotation, or anything like that, as you can see here. So it is very, or I can say, the most important tool you can use, and this actually saves you from casting. So it is super light and you can use it multiple time and everywhere. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.